Hey, sorry,
man,
what's going on here?
I'm very sorry. No other call paper was granted.
But sweetheart, when someone solve your problems,
I'm done with it. I'm done with it.
Why would you call me here?
I'm done with it.
Antivirus. Is it because of your wife who needs to know me?
That's happening
when you may be contract when you say only maybe.
I'm glad you mentioned wife. I'm glad you mentioned wife.
And the wife will not mean you be done.
Relax.
Wife.
I'm the wife.
It's a word of this house. It's a word.
Walk out. I'll be waiting for you inside. And I'll be leaving.
Oh, virus. And see, you in Tina. Who treated me, sir? Well, you in Tina made me fair. I won't pick him a call. Amani.
Yes.
Mabami fee.
If you be,
this is my house.
If you be,
we have in China.
na be kumo.
Ah. Me se mabami fee. Me ni kumo me beda. Me beda.
Beda wen.
Mame, pack and leave.
Na be yale. Pack and leave where?
Okay. Hey, Tipsy.
Ah, now what now? I know what to do for sir.
Don't you dare touch me. Guess what?
Tell me.
Guess.
I can't. You know I'm not good at that. I don't say things.
Do you know that my friend Ken?
Yeah.
On the Nigeria Victoria.
Yes.
Ghana.
Load of fun.
Yeah. Oh my God.
Why are you guys traveling out like?
When they come, like we go to Aqua Safari.
No. City Escape.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you, girlfriend.
Yeah, City Escape is the ish. Aqua Safari, now the place is more to public too much.
Okay, thank you very
and
much.
All that.
Yeah. I hope you have their contact so that.
Sure.
Because I've never been there.
Oh, sure.
And you sure they are going to enjoy
It's
that
a
place?
very cool place. You enjoy it.
You sure, girlfriend? Thank you. You know that's like, I love you. I love you so much.
You know I love you too, baby. I love you. You are a true friend and a sister. No one should come and peep and say we are doing it here.
What is happening? They should not involve us. No, that place we are not even going there. Anyway, girlfriend.
Yep.
I have a surprise for you.
Really? What was it?
Why
did you bring my stars?
No.
I'm from Menyama number. Now it's a surprise. Maybe I'm the way we are to be.
Your husband is here.
My husband is here. Oh yeah. Like seriously? Oh yeah, then what I'm say?
Virus. DJ Virus.
Good afternoon. My friend sound for me come.
Sugar, leave your phone, please.
My friend phones are 50 3 days and she's not picking my calls. I've been patrol, they didn't have a two winning. But you may sign in our house here. I'm person money who said I'm really sorry, and then the DSCB I'm like girl no person on saying him, but in the so or my home was saying to the patrol catch him say
no, sugar, please. This is too much. Sugar, please. Can't you see? Hey, sorry. We can sit, but no, not like
you can sit, but I don't kneel before me. Why am I God? Please get up. But it's okay.
Oh, like it is me per se
I can see.
How sorry I am.
I'm so sorry, sugar. Can't you see?
Please get up. I don't want you to kneel before me. Please.
So, are you going back home?
Going back where?
With your husband.
Baby, that's how I say. I want to say, I'm 5 years old. What come in, Master Puto, what I'm friend?
You may go in myself, so what I'm friend.
It's be bien, me bunko to do power chow.
Mrs. Sorry. Virus, may catch us sorry for my phone home. Because you can't kneel before me. Aden. Manka says sorry, then I'm a kind.
No, be bunko to join us in background. Sorry, I said. No, you can tell everyone my men yes, now. If we are young, be a bay nature. And I wear there, I want to me will be nanti, and maybe be 100% that. 10 be a three ones I was up packing too much.
Me packing and me packing no. Who's my coffee bema? Me packing me packing or bema fee.
Be on one like oil pon some. Obe hard in the kids. I thought they were my like looking sharp crack.
Oh, man, who quite upon somewhere. Oh, man, who quite. What were you thinking? Me packing and now follow me. And I best settle your issue as a husband and wife. And go on your chance, Ember. You were playing along, so no didn't home choir. You were playing along. And you're not catching a song Bongo Jan and Nico now.
Ubi
You know, look, who take me for granted because you feel say, Bibinia, not me man for watching you.
Don't be talking that way.
I should be talking one way. I should be talking one way.
As a master, some will too much.
Master say, you won't move away from me. Master say, we move.
Men no can't say, that's my cocoa to a damn for what can went tea.
Was it not the same girl? Was it not the same girl who was calling you that night and I picked the call and you go angry with me? Was it not the same person? Was she not the same person? What are you talking about?
Hey. Sugar. Eddie, sugar. This is the giant answer.
You can go to hell.
I can go to hell. We ain't going to be my times and go hell. Whenever I go hell, no.
I'm tired of you right now. I'm dead tired of you. Whatever you sent to my mom.
Hey.
I'm tired of you.
Hello. Yeah. Me didn't achieve a few in the oil and you see a crowd from the crack of a bedroom. On Sana life no more than a Ben. What I mean, baby. Saturday Yana assessed yesterday. Huh? I am assessed yesterday. Say when someone I am going to infant. Where did it? I know my bow down for honor. I be patch of good to do. What disgracing me? May do a chaba be goofy. You do say I Cassandra so I was also a better way. Me a debut. At the end, never been any bonnet. And I said, I'm so crown, girl or him. Me a day. I told you what so hondo. What's wrong too much? Woman, I'm
still insulting me. Who never done my ear, me? Who never done friend my ear, me? Is it okay?
Like, and then I'm here asking about you. I don't have a pouch on the uncle.
Upon me to make a day. Upon me to make a day. What did I say?
Many pub brother. It's not nice. It's not nice.
Then am I the same person my problem, so no will keep you up on her up to now. Me
I don't know. Nipa na wo kana sem. Me pedi pa krona. Anko be dis anko san kami do achi sem ba be poucho. I don't know terrible one ma. O untimi nya asem man enkasa. Asam ne ye one na o chana be na ye 2 na ye 3 na ye. Da be na o be reduce volume of asem. Enya nice. But once again, I'll go down my nose and beg.
Don't go down your knees. Don't. I don't like this. Get up, please. Get up.
What am I needing? My man, fetch me. But the punishment be a person and be a family. Because I love you. Me person me my dear flu so. The bachelor ya ade be high me. And to quanto kwasam no enye fine. I keep on telling you. For once, bra from the jar say mukakra.
You get up. It's okay.
Me get up and say we trust so and say.
Fine, get up, please.
I'm say we trust so and say.
Yes.
Huh?
Yes.
Do we say now we are who say na ma committee. Huh? Yes, sir.
Get up.
Oh. We don't want to. Oh, we don't want to say. Ah, me say hag no say that.
You're dying.
Mother me I go am do bako. Okata mwadi me bibi so. Okata ni bi na me bibi so.
Like I was saying, said that me call, you know, everything is in place, back in place already. But then, seriously, for girlfriend, if I say I still trust my husband 100%, I'm lying. What do I say?
Sugar.
Yeah, I'm being sincere to you because at the end of the year, you know, nature say even for me to even trust to say girl no coffee. In life 100% crampono and you're assured. I'm telling you. Because that girl with the fears in her eyes, the voice roaring in the house, I'll come back for you, and all that. Because of you, I stopped with my husband and blah blah, broke up with my husband if I don't go see him. I just say, ni bibi abedi me kunuho. And 1,000 years, if that girl were nya onja how.
Sugar. They're all canning in but don't ever say you don't trust your husband.
No.
If
I
you
don't
don't trust him,
I'm who say and once I did trust him, I could
decide. No,
I'm telling you.
If you don't trust him, how can you guys work things together? How? Remove that mind, that black-minded inner thought now. Oh, I dream. If you are dream. Have a clean heart, a good heart.
I have it. You know I do.
Time will tell.
You know I do because Ella, seriously, maybe I check my husband, but I shimmy if I think about all those times and I'm suspecting on nyama, you guys were blaming me and saying me feel too insecure and all that. What I suspected, but for the my surprise with Brainy say, I was thinking it would be far from any close friend.
And yes,
what I say,
sugar.
And this honey money to me see and then to be, you know what? Me my catcher and say or per se and back pan there. Maybe be if my kuma send me the BB 100% in a day. For me to build the trust back, you should come back to my house.
You said that?
Yeah.
No, that's wrong.
At least the girl doesn't even know my house. They say yeah, if we are having fun and all that, everything is happy. I want to make barge inside the house, come and cause any commotion and go out. You understand?
I'm sure she coming to the house, not so be who say always now. She will advise herself and stop coming there.
Who know the next plan that she'll have?
She can't harm you.